Hey guys, if your Teckin smart plug won't connect to Wi Fi, keeps failing during setup, or never appears in the Smart Life or Tuya app, you're in the right place. This issue is usually caused by connecting through a 5 GHz Wi Fi network instead of 2.4 GHz, the plug not being in pairing mode, an incorrect Wi Fi password, or a weak signal where the smart plug is installed. In some cases, the setup can also fail because the app is outdated or the plug needs to be reset before pairing again. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So, let's get started. 1. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi Fi network before starting the pairing process. 2. Hold the smart plug's power button until the indicator light flashes rapidly. And 3. Open the Smart Life or Tuya Smart app and add the plug as a new device. 4. Keep the smart plug close to your Wi Fi router until the connection is completed. 5. Update the app and the plug's firmware after it successfully joins the network.